Okay, so I'll begin by answering the question from the person who asked what time frame I use for analysis. I think I've answered this question partly before, in fact, fully before. I said for short time trading, you can use 5 minutes. Look at the 5 minutes time frame. You can see the way the chart is very clear. The orientation is clear. Like this is a ranging movement. You can use 1 minute to also verify it's obviously a ranging movement still on the 1 minute candle. You can use 15 minutes to verify it, but what happens is that the range is wider, and you can also use 30 minutes to verify this. It is obviously a ranging movement, so whichever one works best. Most times for me, I prefer to keep it at 5 minutes, but just have it viewed on other time frames, but then come back to settle it on 5 minutes and take and execute the trade. Now, so that's that for time frame. Now over to the issue of drawing that line. So what you tap on the screen, so you come up with this menu. Now on my right hand side, count from below, you see 1, 2, 3, the third icon here on my right hand side, counting from down. Tap on it. You see the various tools for drawing. So you can take this line, any of the lines you want, tap the screen, you get this spot. So then you can drag it anyway, in any direction. So I'm not much of a storyteller. I'm a very practical person, and so in my trainings I try as much as possible not to bug you with unnecessary stories, so we can focus on realities. Because for me, the essence of this training is how to make you make money and not how to excite you with my stories and all of that. So now let's say this is your line. At least I've captured 2 points. That's fine enough. You come back and I want to take the second line. I take this, tap it first, then drag it with my fingers. Okay, so I've captured this, this range, and then I can work with that. So now, having this, obviously I can allow this candle to rise to touch the line, this candle that is forming right now, and then execute a sell trade. So it's still not looking bad even at that. So guys, that's it. Although yeah, in this case I did not allow the candle, because I wanted to show you, I didn't allow the candle to get to the right point before get to, yes, I'll call it right point, before executing that trade. So now with this, the illustration I did last night, assuming I wait for it to get to this point or somewhere around here, and then I sell. If you have a good balance, if you have a balance with good leverage, like let's say if you have up to $100, so that person can big fund balance. But if you have up to $100, you can actually even enter from here, knowing that fine, it can rise even up to this point, but at least your balance can carry it even if it gets to this point. But then surely it will return because it's ranging. So that's the good thing about having leverage when you have the advantage of having a good capital base. So it's one of the things you enjoy. So okay, assume like I sold here. Now you can set your stop loss somewhere around here, knowing that okay, by your analysis it will likely not get here. But if it crosses here, then it may be that the trend is reversing. So I think the safest thing to do then is that you should hit your stop loss and you come out of the market, rather than this trend would go very far against you and you'd run in heavy loss. So on the other side, now this you have seen that it gets here and then pulls back. So you can set your take profit around here. That's what I meant. Or maybe midway, like I said, I made reference to midway, somewhere here too. So okay, you're sure that if it starts coming down, it's surely going to get to this point. So okay, let me take my profit at this point and leave the market for the rest. So that's it basically for um this demonstration. Next thing I want to show you is how to check your trade history. So you tap here by the left hand corner, that's top, and then you go to your history. You can see your history here. You can scroll and get to see your history. So that's it. If you look closely, you would see that the trade is now coming in profit for me. It's coming my way now. It's just oscillating around that entry point. But before long, something is going to happen and it's going to pull down and it's going to be in for profit. So guys, this I've discovered doesn't fail. If you work with it with all stability, it will work for you. For those of you who are bothered about trading psychology and account management, I've already said I'm going to address that tomorrow in the next trading. So as much as possible, I'm trying to make this and keep it simple and practicable. So this is not literature, this is not books. It's one thing to read books most times, it's another thing to be able to convert it to a means of earning. It happens to those who go to school too. That's why not everybody who is educated is rich. Some are able to acquire little education and convert the little they have acquired to a great source of livelihood, while for others they acquire so much and cannot even convert anything. So at the end of the day, it may not even be by how many books you have read, but to a great extent by how much you can convert what you have learned. And so that's my interest, guys. That's what I'm interested in. I'm interested in how much you can convert this learning to a means of earning. So I wish you the very best as you take this seriously. So you can see we're on a very safe side. Even despite that I entered that trade just without much analysis, we're on a very safe side. Very safe side. It's coming our way. So basically this works. It works. And for those whom I told about $30 daily, I would also be demonstrating that in our next training. Thank you.